think you are too late to learn English? Maybe you are 25, 30 or even 40. Maybe you see teenagers speaking fluent English and think I missed my chance. But what if I told you that you are not too late? Today I want to change the way you think about learning English. If you have ever wanted to give up, don't skip this video. This video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Astamita Talks. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today's topic is very close to my heart because I know many English learners struggle with this thought. Am I too late to start learning English? And my answer is no. It's never too late to start again. Whether you are a student, a working professional, a homemaker, or preparing for competitive exams, you can still improve your English. Let's talk about why do people feel it's too late. Let me ask you something. Have you ever compared yourself with someone who speaks English fluently? Maybe you watched a YouTube video and thought they are so good, I'll never speak like that. Or maybe you started learning English before, but then life became so busy, you had studies, a job, family responsibilities, and you stopped. Now you want to start again, but your mind says, what's the point now? If that's how you feel, you are not alone. Many people think this way, but that doesn't make it true. The biggest mistake isn't starting late. The biggest mistake is thinking and believing that it's too late. Think about learning to cook. Does everyone learn at the same age? No. Some people learn as children, others learn after getting married, some learn because they move to another city. Different people start different time and different stages. English is no different. Your starting point doesn't decide your success. Your consistency does. Imagine two people. The first person says, I am a little too late. So they do nothing. 1 year passes, nothing changes. The second person says, maybe I am late, but I am starting today from onwards. They practice English for just 20 minutes every day. After 1 year, who do you think will speak better English? The person who waited or the person who started? The answer is obvious. Small daily action create big results. How to start again? If you are starting again today, keep it simple. Don't try to learn everything one day. Instead, learn 5 new words. Watch one short English video. Read one page. Speak for 5 minutes. That's enough. Remember, your goal isn't to become perfect tomorrow. Your goal is to become little better than yesterday. Some days will be busy, some days won't, and that's okay. The important thing is don't stop. And a message from my side to every beginner. If you're watching this and thinking, can I really improve my English? My answer is yes, a big yes. Not because it's easy, but because thousands of people have done it through consistent practice. You don't need perfect grammar one day, one time. You don't need perfect accent. You don't need expensive courses. You just need the courage to begin. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The difference is they kept going. They kept practicing. That's it. Nothing else. So today I want you to make one promise to yourself. Stop saying I am too late. Start saying I'm starting today from onwards, because 1 year from now you will either be happy that you started or you will wish you had. The choice is yours. If this video encouraged you, please give it a like and subscribe to Astamita Talks for simple English lessons, vocabulary, speaking practice, and motivation. And before you leave, answer this question in the comments. What is one English goal you are starting from today onwards? I would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching. Till next video, take care, keep practicing, and remember, it's never too late to start again.